My name is Mike Wallitz, and I am a CAD manager at Automatic Systems. We create conveyor solutions primarily for the automotive industry, but also for airport systems and agricultural or industrial. A challenge or key challenge that we faced at Automatic Systems that led us to Cloud PLM was properly documenting change and having the correct information in the correct location at all times. Cloud PLM has improved our processes related to documenting changes, knowing that we have the correct information or the reason why we made changes. Rather than just relying on a single line revision on a drawing, we have the complete history of why we made those changes so we don't repeat mistakes in the future. Cloud PLM is helping increase communication between all departments, bringing operations and manufacturing into the design process, leading to a real design to manufacture process. I would recommend Autodesk Cloud PLM to anyone looking to improve communication across departments.